Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question number 25 for WAEC past question chemistry. The diagram illustrates a conical flask containing water and ice. Which of the following statements about the diagram is correct? A. The water is at lower temperature than the ice. B. Energy is absorbed when the ice changes to water. C. Energy is released when the ice changes to water. D. The water molecules vibrate about a fixed point. So, which is the answer to this? From what is read now, B is actually the answer, because energy is absorbed when the ice changes to water. Ice is in solid form. You need energy to make it to be in liquid form. So that makes that the answer. Now, how do we eliminate the other answers? Now you have that the water molecules vibrate about a fixed point. This is not true. Why is it not true? Because this is what happens for solid, but water is liquid. So you cannot say that the molecules vibrate about a fixed point. This is what happens for solid. So that makes this answer not to be true. Now, the first one, A, says that the water is at lower temperature than the ice. It can never be true, because you know that ice has very low temperature. Like when you go to tropics, like in Russia and other places where you have snow falling, the temperature is very cold because of ice, unlike where you have water. So the temperature of ice cannot be higher than that of water. So that of water cannot be lower than that of ice. So that makes this incorrect. Then when you look at C, energy is released when the ice changes to water. That is wrong, because you actually need energy for you to change a solid to liquid. You understand? So this is also not correct. So that makes B the answer to the question, that energy is absorbed. You need energy. Once you add, if you want to also learn about this, just put ice block inside something, then apply heat, apply energy in form of heat. So once you apply energy, you find out that this ice block, this very ice block, will change to water. So you need heat to do that. So energy is absorbed. So this system will absorb energy. This system will absorb energy. Energy is absorbed to change this ice to water. So that makes option C the correct answer. So I hope it is very clear. So this is actually an endothermic process, because there is reception of energy. So it's actually an endothermic process, because there is reception of energy. Thank you.